Understanding soul level in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where learning English is both fun and insightful. Today, we're diving into a unique phrase that often pops up in conversations: soul level. We'll explore what it means to connect or understand something on a soul level and how you can use this phrase in your daily English conversations. When we talk about the soul level, we're referring to the deepest, most intimate layer of understanding or connection. It goes beyond the surface and taps into the essence of who we are. Imagine an iceberg where what's visible above water is just a small part, while the massive structure underneath is hidden. Connecting on a soul level is like reaching that hidden, profound part of the iceberg. To understand how to use soul level in conversation, let's look at some examples. I feel like we understand each other on a soul level, beyond words. The book resonated with me on a soul level. It was like the author knew my deepest thoughts. Notice how in each case, the phrase adds a depth to the understanding or connection being described. This phrase is best used in contexts where you're describing a deep bond or a profound understanding. It might come up in discussions about relationships, art, music, or spirituality, areas of life where emotions run deep and connections feel almost preternatural. And there you have it, a closer look at the phrase, soul level, and how it's used to express a deep, almost indescribable connection. We hope you now feel confident using this phrase in your English conversations. Until next time, keep practicing, and remember, every conversation is a step towards fluency. See you soon.